Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set app limit on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set app limit on any app on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Then turn on screen time. Once screen time is enabled, you want to scroll down, come to limit usage, click on app limits. Then click on add limit. Type in your screen time passcode. Now go ahead and select the application you want to add app limit to. And then click on next at the top right. Come here and then set in your app limit. Then turn on block at the end of the limit so that this will block the application from working at the end of the limit every day. Click on check mark at the top right. Then you should see the application. Now, if you go ahead and open the Facebook application you set app limit to on your iPhone, just go ahead, search for Facebook, open it. Now, once the limit expires, then you should see you've reached your limit on the selected application. You can just go ahead and click on OK or ask for more time. And that's it. So that's exactly how to add limit on any apps on your iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.